my name's Dakotah, and I am going to show you the basic editing you can do in ScreenFlow. First thing you can do is you can zoom it out to 5 seconds, or you can zoom it up to 0.1 second per number right here. Alright, but I usually like it at about 5 or so seconds, or it doesn't really matter. Alright, and then what you can do is you can get to the part maybe you want to like zoom up on, and you can click the first tab and add video action. Alright, so what that'll do, well, nothing yet, we'll make it so you can zoom in on that and scale it maybe here. I don't know, whatever you want really. And alright, so what that'll do is now when I go, it zooms up on it. And alright, so you can see it nice. And then when I go out, I can click add another video action and zoom back out to 100% and pull the screen back. So now once it gets through, I zoom back out. Alright, next we can add an audio property. So you click the top bar and you can make your volume louder, or you can make it so it sounds like you're in a room, or remove the background noise or something like that. So let me say effect, and now it sounds like, well, I don't know what that is, so I shouldn't have used it. So now it'll sound like I'm in a large chamber, and I can make that spread through the whole video. Alright, next you can go to the screen recorder properties and you'll click the bottom again, and now I can make it so I can zoom up on the pointer, well, make the pointer bigger, and maybe I can put a radar so when I click, or I guess I picked a bad example because I'm not clicking at this part. Alright, and now when I click, oh wow, the radar's not. So you click the bottom again, and you can, now I can put a radar. Alright, and it's just a small little radar when I click. Alright, next I can click the bottom and add a call out. And what that'll do is I can make it so it highlights the mouse cursor like this. And then I can make it lighter so you can just barely see it. Oop, I gotta wait, I'm at a bad part. Yeah, oh, sorry, I'm past the call out. So, oops. Alright, so you click the call out and you can extend it. Alright, now if I click here, you can zoom up on the mouse, make it so only you can see the mouse. Alright, and after that you can outline it, change the color of the outline and stuff like that. Or border. Let's make the border bigger. Next you can, alright, you can add an annotation. So I add my annotation. Let's say I wanted to add my annotation, and let's say I wanted to go the rest of the film. Click arrow. That's the screenshot. I can change colors, or I can get a square, stuff like that. And lastly, the text box. you can add a text box. Let's say I want to write, oops, why isn't that text? Alright, Dakotah production. And then what I can do is I can drag it. I can drag it down, make it smaller, and I can change it to, let's say, 14.